Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to remove and clean the inlet filter on our Samsung front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung front load washing machine model, but these tips could be applicable for other brand washing machines too. But please check your user manual as well. This inlet filter protects our washing machine from dirt like sand or rust and other impurities in the tap water. The tiny mesh filter inside this will do the filtration before the water enters our washing machine, and it is recommended to clean this every 3 to 6 months, especially if we have hot water in our house. To do this, first we have to switch off our washing machine. Switch off here as well. We can take this off. Turn off the water tap as well. This is important. Then we just have to unscrew this inlet filter at the back side of our washing machine. Usually this will be in blue color. We should not touch the water tap setup. We should not touch this. It will be difficult to assemble this again. Just have to unscrew this part alone. So we can keep a small cup or a cloth under this because some water will come out of this. So I'll show a video how it comes. So we just have to unscrew this like this. It will be a bit tight sometimes, so put some pressure and we can remove this. You have to do like this and we can take this. That's all. We can collect the water like this. If it comes out, just to be safe, we can do this. So we can see the tiny mesh filter inside this. We have the option to simply take this out, but sometimes it will be a bit hard. We cannot remove this. So in this case, we can use a flathead screwdriver and we can give some pressure and we can take this out. That's all. So this is how it looks. We can see little bit of dirt inside. We will clean this, and also inside this we can see the dirt. So we will clean both of them. To clean the inside part, we can use a normal microfiber cloth and we can simply clean it. Just make sure not to put that much of pressure because there is another filter inside. We don't want to affect that. We can also use good quality buds. As long as we don't put that much of pressure, we can simply clean the outside area using the buds. We can take the dirt out. To clean this mesh filter, we can use normal water and a microfiber cloth to clean this. Make sure not to put heavy pressure on this because this looks fragile. Now after cleaning both of them, we can insert this back, place it like this and give it a push. Make sure it is going to the back side properly, and now we can connect this tube. Take this and place it like this, and we just have to screw this. Do it till it is properly tight. Put enough pressure because this is important that it is tight. That's all. So after closing the inlet filter tightly, we can open the water tap and we can connect the power plug and we can start to use the washing machine. These are the steps to remove and clean the inlet filter on our Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.